guys! Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing unboxing and review of Mungyo Artist Oil Pastels. So I hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below. So, open na natin yung package. Though, open na yung parcel bag. Ayan, may nakalagay na fragile. Good job po sa shop. Nice to. Yan. Kahit na plastic lang yung ginamit para sa item, naka-bubble wrap naman at naka-ibang bubble wrap to Ang lalaki. May another bubble wrap pa, yung normal na nakikita nating maliliit. So tanggalin ko po muna to. Wait lang. So these oil pastels were from Korea. Binili ko to through Shopee and yes, nag-ship po sila dito sa Pinas at free shipping po kasi na-meet ko yung required amounts nila. So, I will put the link down below for their shop para kung gusto nyong bumili. Yan. So, I got this for only 3,097 in total. And tada! I have here the 3 sets of Mungyo Oil Pastels. The Artist Oil Pastels 24 sticks metallics, the 24 sticks mixed metallics and fluorescent, so 12 each, and 48 sticks Artist Soft Oil Pastels for professional. Yun yung nakalagay sa box. Well, we'll see about that later. So, here's the 48 sticks soft oil pastels. Ito po muna yung i-review ko sa ngayon kasi kapag sinama ko pa yung dalawa, it may take forever para sa content na to. Charot. Hindi naman. Just to save us time. At kung gusto nyo po na i-review ko din yung tungkol sa metallics and fluorescents, please comment down below at gagawan po natin yan ng video. And now, let's have a quick chat about the packaging. So, maliban sa box itself, meron itong outer cover na slide type box. Open natin. So, here sa inside cover, meron itong info about the product name, description, and the colors included sa sets with their names and respective color codes. And it has leaflets included. Check natin. Yan, nakalagay dito ang description in different languages, techniques such as scraping, stapling, overlaying colors, blending, and gradations. Tapos sa side na to nakalagay naman ang available set of colors nila and they have sets of 12, 24, 36, 48, 72, and 120. Yung 72 and 120 are available in wooden boxes din, but I believe 72 is meron din silang nasa box type lang, which is much more cheaper than the wooden boxes. And at the back of the leaflets, dito naman nakalagay ang chart colors for complete set, yung 120, with its info and color code name, at kung saang sets available yung specific colors na yon. Ang napansin ko lang, walang nakalagay regarding the light fastness ng product. Yun. And now, let's move to the oil pastel itself. This is a round type oil pastels with 70 mm in length and 11 mm in diameter. Nakalagay po sa cover ng oil pastel yung color name pati yung code. So, which help us to identify agad kung anong colors yon. At sobrang soft niya. Makikita nyo dumidikit agad sa daliri ko yung kulay. Now, swatching na tayo. To check the pigment quality, blending, durability, and its finish. So, I have here a Fabiano mixed media pad in 160 GSM. Dito tayo magsa-swatch. So, ready na ba kayo guys? Let's get messy! have a closer look. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang minimal lang yung excess or crumbs niya. At yung ibang color, wala talaga. And very opaque siya. Yung nakikita nyo yung white na paper, di ko lang talaga nadaanan ng oil pastel yan. At sobrang light lang ang pressure na ginamit ko. At i-blend pa naman natin to. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang nagbe-blend siya at walang patchiness. Yan, natatakpan na yung ibang part na walang pastels. Kapag gumamit po kayo ng oil pastel, dapat lagi kayong may tissue or towel paper o kaya naman yung piece of cloth to clean your hands and fingers. Lalo na kung yung fingers natin ang ginagamit natin pang blend. At ginagamit ko rin po to para panglinis ng tip ng oil pastel bago ko i-apply para hindi maging madumi. Gagamit ako ng primary colors tapos black and white for gradations and layering. Start tayo sa yellow then blue to create green. Well, ang ganda ng napoproduce niyang secondary color. So yan. At amazing. Sobrang bilis niya lang at sobrang daling patungan. Lalo na kapag nagkakamali ka sa mga strokes, yun. Ngayon naman, try natin patungan ng white yung blue para ma-check natin kung maganda din ipoproduce niyang light colors. Tapos, belt up ko later ng blue ulit. And wow! Nice! Ang ganda nito. Ganda ng combination ng pagka-blend nila. Now, let's add red to create purple with blue. Sobrang ganda rin talaga. Sobrang rich ng color, guys. At ang ganda ng orange. Gusto ko to. Try naman natin patungan ngayon ng white. Usually kasi yung white ginagamit natin pang highlight. So, yan. Try natin stippling. Tapos, try na natin in full. And it's awesome! My final verdict is, this oil pastel is really awesome. Considering the price, guys, it's really great. The quality is really good, very opaque and pigmented. It blends well, very smooth and rich, yet it doesn't easily break. For layering, it really works well and has a nice finish. Color range with 120 colors in all. I think it's not bad. However, I cannot tell you yet about its light fastness because it's not stated in the packaging. But maybe through time I will figure it out and will give you an update about it. So that's all, lovelies. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you love it, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get you notified for my new and upcoming videos. Have a lovely one, lovelies. Stay safe.